Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update Windows on ACER Predator 17. In order to update Windows, go to the settings, then go to update and security. Now you may need to click on check for updates, but you can see that I have already downloaded the updates. So I just need to click on install now and wait until they get installed. Sometimes you'll need to click on download and install or other stuff, and you can see that it's installing right now. I'm just gonna wait until they get installed, and in some cases there's a chance that they will require you to restart your computer. So when they prompt me to do that, I'm gonna do that and show you that, but for now I'm just gonna skip to that. Okay, so I don't really want to wait until it's done. This one is done, but you should wait because it's better to just restart once than restarting several times. Although I'm just gonna restart it now to not waste any more time, because this update is taking way longer than I wanted it to. So I'm gonna click on restart now. You could also click on schedule the restart and wait until it's done. And also this restart will take longer than usual restarts because it has to apply the update in the meantime. So let's wait until that's done. And after that everything will be finished. So see you in a moment. Also, another thing that I forgot to mention is that you should have your power supply plugged in all the time, because if your device runs out of power during the update restart, then it may break. So we probably don't want that. Just keep your laptop plugged in. And the update is finished. So what you should do is just unlock your device and use it. Everything is done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.